So I think certainly it's a very sort of interesting concept about the effect of having a mastectomy on patients, and in fact many years ago I've actually done a research project looking into some of these sort of effects that patients had, especially if they had a delayed reconstruction, where they go through a period of missing a breast and then coming back and then having the surgery, and you can see that really dramatic improvement in some of their the emotional responses and the physical, even with the physical symptoms, because just having that more balanced sort of chest wall with something else back in there compared to the native breast actually makes a significant difference. So I think obviously I sort of I'm probably quite pragmatic in the sense that I would never say to patient that you have to have this surgery, because at the end of the day I think it is patient factor that is primarily driving I think the decision making process. And certainly in my career I had patients that we had a long consultation, explain everything, but they're having a double mastectomy, and they decided that they were comfortable living with that the flatness in the chest, and they feel that that's not an important concept for them. And I think that we totally respect that decision. But I think the main thing for I think any patients who are undergoing breast cancer treatment is to really have that opportunity to see a plastic surgeon who can at least discuss your expectation, really understand the process, and I think hopefully that will help you to make the right decision for yourself, and then you can decide whether you actually wanted to undergo the reconstruction. But I think in my years of the career I can say that patients who didn't have a reconstruction initially will often come back and seek a reconstructive surgery, often because of that after sort of further thoughts that they do actually miss having the breast. But certainly I think ultimately it is a very patient driven decision, but having that opportunity to discuss and understand the process is the key in helping you to make the choice that is right for yourself.